Summer Infant Splish and Splash Newborn to Toddler by Summer Infant is one of the best sellers among baby bathing tubs and seats products. Tub grows with baby. 1. Infant sling cradles baby. 2. Padded recline with support keeps baby in the correct comfortable position. 3. Large area gives toddlers enough room to splash and play. Parent assist tray helps to keep bath items nearby. Fits in single and double sinks in adult tubs. Drain plug to make draining easier. Make bath time safe and simple with the Summer Infant Splish and Splash Newborn to Toddler Tub. The infant sling helps to cradle your newborn throughout bath time. As baby grows out of the sling, the tub has a comfortable recline and support so that baby will sit comfortably without sliding. Once the child can sit unassisted, the toddler area gives them enough room to splash and play. The parent assist tray on the end of the tub helps to keep bath time essentials nearby. The tub fits in single and double sinks, and in adult bathtubs.